It makes my highlighter matte. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasiliki and in this video we are going to be unboxing the Catrice Advent Calendar, and this one here is €34.95. We are getting 24 full-size products. As you can see, the box is looking very similar to what we had last year. I think even the colors are the same. It is very heavy. I don't know what we have in this one. Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to calculate the overall value of all the products and we're going to see if it is more than what I have paid. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. I'm going to post more unboxing videos, and also share this video with a friend that likes advent calendars. Okay, so it opens like this. I don't want to see the products. This year we don't have paper bags, we have some boxes. So you can actually make your advent calendar. We have two types. We have small and big ones and they look like candies. It is adorable. You can put the products inside and then you twist the end and it looks like candy. Very pretty packaging. You can also keep them for makeup gifts or other gifts that you want to do for Christmas. We have a third type of box that I'm not sure how we can make this one. And this is the third one. It is very pretty. Let me know in the comments if you like that we have three types of boxes, or if you like bags when we have DIY advent calendars. Very pretty. Oh, okay, so we had instructions. I didn't see them. So the first product is a highlighter palette that I have never seen before. This is the Glowdoscope highlighter palette. It looks like a creamy palette. Yeah, this is a creamy highlighter palette. Let's see the shades. As I can see, we have some duochromes. So the first one is a pink one, then we have a lilac, after that a gold. This one here is like a frosty white, and the last one is a light green creamy highlighter. I think all of them have a very nice pigmentation except the green one, but I need to try it on me to see that. Let me know in the comments if you like creamy highlighters or in general creamy products. After that we have the Galactic highlighter drops, and this is in the shade Space Shuttle. With this product we have a dropper and we have a liquid highlighter. I have another shade and it was very thick. Oh no, it's not the same consistency. The other one that I have, it's very weird how thick it is. This one is very spreadable and it has a very light chemical scent like shampoo, and it is very liquidy. I applied so much. This is how it looks with less product. It is a light pink peachy highlighter. The next product is a vinyl black liquid liner, Rock Couture. I have never seen this eyeliner before. My favorite one by Catrice Cosmetics, and in general in life my favorite eyeliner is the Dating Joe Black liquid liner. I have it right up here. This is what I have and it's not easy to change it. It's amazing. Ooh, this is a very thin tip. Let's see if it is very dark. Oops, I wanted to do a line. This is a brush tip applicator. I would say that this is if you have mastered gel eyeliner, eye pencil and also felt tip eyeliner. I believe this is the most difficult product to learn how to apply your eyeliner. It is completely dry and it has a shiny finish. I don't like shiny eyeliners on my eyes because I have some lines here and something shiny can intensify them. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite type of eyeliner. For me it is definitely the felt tip applicator. And up next we have the Spectral Light Effect Nail Lacquer, and this is in the shade 5 Hollow Enchantment. Let's see how the color is. Oof, the scent, very strong. This one doesn't have a very smooth brush. Covering nail lacquer for stunning hollow and duochrome effects on nails. This is not hollow, this is silvery and matte. Next we have another Peel Off Glam Easy to Remove Effect Nail Polish. This is in the shade 2 Nail More, Worry Less, and it says apply nail polish in 2 thin layers, easy to peel off. So this is with 2 layers of the nail polish. It is very sparkling. This one is a clear nail polish with silver glitter. Let's continue with a brush. This is a limited edition Advent Calendar DIY powder brush. I was not expecting products that were designed for the Advent Calendar. Ooh, very pretty. It is very soft. It is not shedding. It has a very nice handle. That's a very nice touch. After that, we have a lipstick, but let's see what type of lipstick. This is the Ultimate Color in the shade 450 Legend Berry. My tube has some very small white marks here. Let's see the lipstick. It looks pretty new and it is a dark brown color. Ooh, it has a very nice consistency and I was wrong. This is a burgundy wine lipstick. This shade is one of the must-haves for winter. It has a very nice creamy formula and also a shiny finish. We have one more Peel Off Glam Easy to Remove Effect Nail Polish. This one is in the shade 3. When in doubt, just add glitter. This one has a better brush, it is softer and it's not looking so harsh as the other one. This is also with 2 coats of the nail polish. It is a little bit weird that a glittery nail polish that you're going to use on top of your nail color. It is also a peel-off nail product. How can that work? That means that you're not going to use any color underneath. So after that we have a blur stick. This is the Insta2Go blur stick. I'm guessing this is a primer. We don't have any other information. It is made in Germany and it says handbag approved. Oh, it wasn't closed. Dun dun dun. It looks like that the primer touched a surface because I have some marks here. The packaging of this one is not very clean, but it's not touched. It is like, I don't know, melted. Let me know your thoughts about this one. Have you ever seen these marks on your own makeup products? Okay, I thought it was a palette. After that we have a pair of lashes and these are the limited edition Advent Calendar DIY false lashes. We don't have a name for the lashes and this one opens like a drawer. And we also have a glue here that you can use with the lashes. I think that the band is long enough for my eyes to use them on me. What is this? It says Liquid Luminizer Strobing Pen and this is in the shade 20 Ready for Champagne. I don't want to twist it a lot. Most of the times that I do that, a lot of product comes out, but we don't have something now. Where is the product? So here is the liquid highlighter and it smells a little bit but not a lot. Ooh, this is very thick and a little bit sticky. We have creamy, liquidy and also in a pen form highlighters today. This one is gorgeous. This shade is so beautiful. It started drying out, so I'm guessing you don't have to set this one with a powder highlighter. Here we have the Ultimate Chrome Collection eyeshadow palette. I thought it was a highlighter palette, to be honest. And this is in the shade 10, Heights and Lights. I have seen these palettes before in the drugstore. I never got them because there are only shimmery shades in this one. Let's see some of the shades. Ooh, that's very shiny. Okay, maybe I have place for this very shimmery eyeshadow palette in my collection. You can definitely use this as highlighters if you want. Up next we have one more nail polish. This is from the brown collection and it is the shade 4 Unmistakable Style, and it looks like a very beautiful brown shimmery nail polish. That's the color. Oh, we have two cups. A cup inside the cup. Oh no, it's not easy to open this. Oh my god, I thought that we had a chocolate scent. We don't. And this is with only one coat. It has a very nice opacity. Also the brush is very nice. This one is a dark brown nail polish with a red pink sheen. We continue with the healthy look Mattifying Powder Translucent. This is in the shade 10 Luminous Light, and this is a mattifying powder in a perfect harmony of 4 shades. It gives the complexion a healthy and fresh look. This is a pressed powder with so many colors. I'm guessing that this is not giving a very matte finish. It is like semi-matte. It is translucent, proven. We have one more nail polish, and this is the gel lacquer in the shade 12 Creaming of You. This one is a light beige peachy nail polish. It has a very light shimmery finish. I don't usually like very light nail polishes on me. I prefer something dark like this one or a bright like my lipstick. Do you like light shades like these on you? And this is with 2 coats of the nail polish because with one it was looking a little bit blotchy. Okay, ooh, I found something big. And this is the Light in a Box highlighter palette, and it says that we have a special effect top coat. This one looks a little bit scratched everywhere, and this is the shade 10. It's Glow Time, and we have some directions here how you can use the highlighters. Let's see how they look. These are looking a little bit more subtle. The eyeshadow palette had more intense highlighters. They definitely want us to be highlighted. So I'm a little bit disappointed that we have both of these because you can also use this one for highlighters. And we could have another eyeshadow palette. We have here one more lipstick. This is the Prisma Chrome lipstick in the shade 60 Rusty Rose. Let's see the color. Ooh, this is a dark lipstick again, and it looks a little bit like the previous one. This one here has some sweating on the sides. Also, the logo is a little bit scratched, so I'm going to use just a little bit to see the color. This is a Lavender Burgundy Lipstick. I would prefer having another shade, maybe a red lipstick. And after that we have another highlighter. This reminds me of last year's Makeup Revolution Advent Calendar. This is a limited edition Advent Calendar powder highlighter. This is in the shade C01 Let It Glow. It is an ultra fine highlighting powder for a glowy finish on face and body. We have this beautiful pretty packaging, and let's see this highlighter. It is the highlighter Advent Calendar. This is a sheer light golden highlighter. It's not very reflective, but maybe it looks fantastic on the skin, so it doesn't matter how it looks in swatches. We continue with another lipstick. This is also Prisma Chrome and it is in the shade 50 Mystical Mermaid. Okay, it reminds me a lot of the previous one. So this is number 60. Okay, they are not the same. I don't know if this one in particular is going to look very nice on my lips or if it is going to make them more wrinkly. After that we have the Light Spectrum Strobing Brick, another highlighting product, and this is in the shade 30 Candy Cotton. As we can see, we have 5 different shades. These are very dry, they are not even transferring on my fingers. I'm trying to rub very well to get some pigment. Okay, I'm curious. I'm going to take the E40 brush by Sigma and this light yellow shade. It makes my highlighter matte. Yeah, I lost the sheen. And how am I supposed to use the blue one? How? Okay, the blue one is a little bit more noticeable. This is a very weird product. Let me know if you have tried it, if you like it. I'm using again the highlighter that I had here. The next product is the Ombre Two-Tone Lipstick. Yeah, it is a lipstick and the shade is 40, not expired yet. That's a very weird name for a lipstick. The word expired is faded. This shape is so weird for a lipstick. Oh, it's very creamy. Let me know if you have ever tried this one or from another brand something similar. Moving on, we have a brow palette, matte and glow powder and wax, and this is in the shade 20 Hot Chocoholic. I'm curious to see if this is going to work for me. So we have one matte shade and one shiny. This is very dark. I don't get it. Why do we have this shiny bronzy shade in a brow palette? This would be nice for an eye look, not for the brows. And this is the other shade. This one can actually work for my brows. We also have a tiny brush and spoolie. This is the shade for the wax. It can go very well with this one, but I don't understand why we have the bronzy shade. Afterwards, we have one more nail polish. This is another Spectral Light Effect Nail Lacquer and it is in the shade 3 Irregular Galaxies. We continue with the Glow Gloss and this is a limited edition Advent Calendar product in the shade Let It Glow. And this is a lip gloss with a doe foot applicator. It has a sweet chemical scent. It is like candy. Ooh, this reminds me of the liquid highlighter. This is a transparent light golden lip gloss with some very fine gold glitter. These here are the stickers. Oops. I know how to open it. This is how they look. We have little hexagons with numbers on them. The variety of this advent calendar is disappointing for me. I feel like a lot of products were randomly placed in this advent calendar. So many weird products in this advent calendar. I prefer the Essence Advent Calendar DIY. Go check it out. You can find it here. The overall value of all the products is almost 104 euros. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!